Hi, my name is Trish, and today we're going to make memory wire bracelets. If you didn't make it to the Zoom class, that's okay. I'm going to show you a step-by-step on how you can make this really easy and fun project. And today my project is going to be Halloween themed, but you can use any kind of beads that you want to use. So let's go over what supplies you need. First, you need some round nose pliers. Don't try to use the typical flat jewelry making or hardware pliers that you find. They do need to be round like this. And any beads that you want to use are totally fine as long as they fit on this stuff, which is called memory wire. And it's called memory wire because it stays in the shape that you bought it in until you cut it. And you can get this in a standard bracelet size like you have in your kit, or you can get at the store. But you can also get it in ring size and in necklace size, anything that you want to do. It has a lot of different uses. You can use the ring size to make earrings and other fun kind of things. So if you've got your wire and your beads and your pliers, we'll be all set, and I can show you how to put the bracelet together. So the first thing you want to do to start is lay out all of your beads that you want to use and any little charms you want to put on your bracelet. And then take out your memory wire, which comes in a pretty big spool, and you can cut it to whatever length, how many loops around you want your bracelet to be. And then take your round nose pliers and grab the little tip of the memory wire. Now, memory wire is a lot stiffer and tougher to work with than regular wire, so don't be afraid to really wrangle it in with your pliers and squeeze really tightly. Then you just want to turn the pliers towards you and away from the board or whatever surface you're working on, and keep turning until you make a little tiny loop like that. And then you can go back in and squeeze the little loop closed a little bit, and don't worry about getting it perfect because nobody does the first time. There we go. We have our start of our memory wire bracelet. You can set the pliers down. And then this is the fun part. You get to actually decide what beads you want to put on your bracelet and in what order and what color combo, which you should probably have a little bit of an idea about ahead of time, but it's fun to experiment as you go. So just choose your first color and start putting the beads on. Ooh, it's a little tricky at first, but we'll start with blue instead. Every now and then stop and push the beads towards the end where your loop is so you can see how much you have on there and how much more you have to go, and decide if you want to put other colors on or put a charm on. I'm going to put a little tassel on, so just slide it right onto the wire. Okay, so once you have all your beads on and you've pushed them to the end and you just have a little bit of wire left, probably about that much. This part's a little tricky, but hold the beads back with one hand and grab the wire again with your pliers and make another loop. Squish it down a little. And there we go, your bracelet's done. I hope you enjoyed the video. Post pictures of any bracelets you made, and happy beading.